A chart is a powerful tool that allows you to visually display data in a variety of different chart formats, such as column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, scatter chart, stock chart, and radar chart. Click on the Start menu and find Excel on your bar and click on it. And soon you will be open to the window of Excel. Click on Blank Worksheet. Click the Insert tab. Second, click the chart type from the chart section of the ribbon. The subtype menu displays. Click the desired chart subtype. The chart appears on the worksheet. If you want to create a second chart, click somewhere in the worksheet to deselect the current chart first, or the new chart will replace the current chart. The typical chart or graph in Excel 2010 comprises of several distinct parts such as chart area, data series, horizontal axis title, legend, grid line and vertical axis title. Chart area. Everything inside the chart window including all parts of the chart. Labels, axes, data markers, tick marks and other elements are listed here. Data series. These are bars, lines, slice or other elements that represent the data value. Y-axis or value axis. This is the vertical axis of the chart along with the value of each data point is plotted. X-axis or category axis. This is the horizontal axis of the chart on which each category is represented. Plot area. This is the rectangular area within the chart area of the chart. Chart title. The title of the chart. It is the description text that appears on the top of the chart. Moving a chart. A chart can be moved by clicking on the border of the chart and dragging and dropping it to a new location on your sheet. Resizing a chart. A chart can be resized by clicking on the border and by resizing any of the 8 handles which are at the corner of the chart. Saving a chart. A chart can be saved in MS Excel by clicking on the File tab on top and then clicking on Save option. Deleting the data from the chart. You can delete the data by selecting the data on your workbook and then by pressing the delete key on your keyboard. Moving the chart area. You can move the chart by clicking at the bottom of the chart and by holding the left mouse button and drag it to the new location. The elements of the chart within will also get moved along with the chart. Okay, so till then, have a nice day, children. Take care, stay home and stay inside. Okay, children.